Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. A few days back, Xiaomi launched Redmi Note 13 series. 5 different variants of the phone, which included Redmi Note 13, 13 5G, 13 Pro, 13 Pro 5G, and 13 Pro Plus, which is only the 5G variant. And the launch was a fantastic event. Phones were fantastic, and we got our hands on to the 13 Pro, which is the 4G version of it. So we're going to unbox this, find out what it looks like. As you can see what it looks like, but we're going to show you more personalized picture, set it up, take some pictures, use it for a few days, and tell you all about it in this video. So you will see what it is, what it can do, and what power it packs. So don't go anywhere. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you keep getting all the notifications and I keep getting all the motivations to keep bringing these amazing videos to you. Finished setting up and using the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G the last few days. Now, 4G was a little bit of a down for me, but overall performance of the phone was quite fantastic. Now, the beauty of this is Gorilla Glass 5 protection in the front. It's got a plastic back, mid-range, perfect, plastic back, plastic frame as well, but it's IP54 dust and splash resistant, so which is not too bad at all. Not that I took it down to the swimming pool, but as it says in the features, we believe it absolutely as is. And midnight black, lavender, purple, and forest green, the one which I'm holding, are the 3 color expressions it comes in, and it's got for a budget, for a mid-range phone, it's got under the screen fingerprint sensor for your security as well. So a great phone and a great look as well. A fantastic display, I must say. 6.7 inches of AMOLED display with 88.9% screen to body ratio, 120 Hz of dynamic refresh rate, and up to 1300 nits of peak brightness. This is 1080p by 2400 pixels of resolution in a 20:9 aspect ratio and a 395 ppi density, which is fantastic. And what powers the bad boy up is Android 13, MIUI 14, which you saw when we were setting this up. Mediatek Helio G99 Ultra chipset, which is an Octa-core CPU and a Mali-G57 on the GPU as well. Comes in 2 different variants, 8 with 256 and 12 with 512 GB. Now this is the 12 with 5112, so no shortage of storage there. A beautiful triple camera setup at the back. Look at that. And fantastic part, 200 megapixel 23mm wide angle camera. Now that is perfect. Look at the size of those bad boy lenses right there. Huge they are. It's got 8 megapixel 120 degree ultra wide angle camera as well, and 2 megapixel macro. It's got Xiaomi's imaging engine, which is top of the line in today's mobile camera capabilities. Professional optical 7P lenses and 4x optical zoom. In the front, we've got a single 16 megapixel camera, which is a wide angle camera as well. So more people, selfies gonna be, group selfies is gonna be just fantastic. fantastic. And all this power is powered up by a 5000 mAh battery with a 67 watt fast charging. You saw that tiny little adapter. That means 0 to 100% in less than an hour. Give or take about 45 to 50 minutes, 0 to 100%, which is fantastic. So guys, a great phone. And as you saw in the video, the looks, the feel, and the pictures and the videos were fantastic on this one. So this is your friend, the Great Hobbyist, signing off. And so keep yourself safe. And this is a fantastic Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G smartphone. So if you're looking for a mid-range budget deal and don't care much about the 4G or the 5G spectrum, this is the phone for you. Keep yourself safe. Peace.